Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today I am going to show you guys how I remove my makeup. So as pretty as this look is, we are going to remove it and take care of our skin. So if you want to see how I remove my makeup and take care of my skin, please keep on watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Before I remove my makeup, I am going to remove my jewelry. And my lashes. Next, I'm going to remove all these beautiful gems. Okay, and when it comes to glitter, I like using tape first. I use any type of tape that you have on hand. And I like to go over the glitter to remove anything with glitter. Because if you ever had glitter in your eyes, you would know exactly why I'm doing this. That sucker burns. You don't want to pull too hard. Remember, these are eyelids and they're very delicate. So like so, and that's just the glitter portion that we removed. Next, on some round cotton pads, I'm going to use my Garnier Skin Micellar cleansing water. This is the one with the oil in it. This is the all-in-one waterproof makeup remover. I'm just going to give this a shake, and I'm going to use some cotton rounds like this, and I'm going to soak my cotton pad with this on 3 rounds. I'm using 3 rounds, 2 for the eyes, 1 for the lips. So now that our cotton pad is nice and soaked, I'm just going to leave this on my eyelid just for a few seconds, slightly pressing it. And each eye, I'm going to gently remove the eye makeup. And what I like about this Garnier makeup remover, I mean, it loosens up the lash glue, any waterproof eye makeup that you may be wearing. I mean, it just breaks it down. Removes mascara. I mean, look how that glue is just sliding right off. See that? Just one eye. And this is why I like to remove, if I'm wearing a makeup look that has glitter, this is why I prefer to remove the glitter first, because if you get glitter in your eye, that's one of the worst feelings ever. It burns so bad. And the third one I'm using for my lips. Why? Because I hate using makeup remover and just mushing the lip color and everything all over your face. I hate it. I mean, you could do it, but I hate it. So, and that's that. Next, I'm going to go in with my, don't ask me to say it, I'm just going to show it to you. This is a gentle oil cleanser. Put like 2 pumps in my hands. And this is going to break down the rest of the makeup on my skin. I mean, whatever residues left over, this really breaks it down, melts it down. I mean, look at that. Lash glue. Lash glue that you can't see with your eyes. I mean, I love this so much. I don't know if you guys are like me, but this is the best feeling for me, removing makeup. I mean, I sleep for hours when I'm done. This relaxes me so much. And how I'm going to remove this, so when I remove my makeup, I have microfiber towels like this. I bought this from Amazon. I have a bunch of these. I buy them by the packs and they're super soft, and I'm gonna rinse this off with warm water and I'll be right back. I love this. You can't even tell I was wearing makeup. I mean, this takes everything off, but we're not finished there. Because it says makeup remover, that doesn't mean it's a skin cleanser. So now we have to go in and cleanse our skin. So according to the mood I'm in, I'll either use my fresh soy cleanser, face cleanser. This is very gentle on the skin if you have sensitive skin. This is awesome to use. It does not strip your skin. This is a really good cleanser. But today I'm going to use my You to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. It's a gel, and when I do makeup, I prefer to go in with a more heavy duty cleanser. With my hands, and we're gonna cleanse our skin for at least 1 minute. I'm gonna rinse this out and be right back. Okay, now that our face is washed, now I use paper towels to dry my skin. And I pat dry. If your paper towel does not look like this after cleansing your skin, your cleanser is trash. It needs to be clean. That's how you know your skin is clean from all that makeup residue. Make sense? If you're still seeing, streaks of makeup, it means that you need to thoroughly cleanse your skin. Now that our face is freshly washed and it's dry, look at that glow. And I didn't do anything to my skin but wash and cleanse it. So I'm going to go in with my toner. This is my fresh toner, the Rose Deep Dehydration Facial Toner. I'm just going to put a few drops in the palm of my hands and press it into my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Skin Serum by LANCOME. It's the Genifique. Anything more than that is too much for your skin. And you want to avoid using this around the eye area because it's too rich for that area, since the skin around the eyes is 40% thinner than the rest of your face. Next, I'm going to go in with my eye treatment. This is from SKINFIX. And I'm just going to use 1 drop on my ring finger like this. That's more than enough. I'm going to press it into that eye area. I'm just going to press it in, just like so. This is very moisturizing. Next, for my skin moisturizer, my face moisturizer, I'm going to go in with a Drunk Elephant. Protini. And to lock in all that moisture that we just put into the skin, I'm going to use a few drops of my Drunk Elephant Marula oil. It's about 5 drops. Warm it up in the palms of my hands, and I'm going to press it into my skin and seal in all that moisture that we just applied to the skin. Yes, we're gonna look like a grease ball. However, your skin is gonna be moisturized. Yes, my skin is going through a little something. Let me tell you something. What you put in comes out. My skin regimen works for me. When I'm nearing that time of the month, I overdo the sweets at times, and this is the repercussions from it. So hopefully I could get it cleared up soon enough, because it's starting to get on my nerves. Yeah, but that's why I'm breaking out like that. I have been overdoing it with the sweets since it's that time. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my fresh Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm, just to keep my lips moisturized. Guys, this is the end of it. This is how I take care of my skin after I remove my makeup. Hopefully you learn a tip or two from this, and yeah, this is it. I'm off to bed now. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.